Wow, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here, and if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring other train people here to my channel and check me out. Also hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you'll be notified. Also leave comments. But until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video's over. Have a good one, and thanks for watching.